Today we're going to assemble a subwoofer box. The first step is the dry fit, so I'm going to grab all the parts, lay them out on the table, and get to work. This is going to be a down-firing box, so this is the bottom right here. I've already cut all the parts on the CNC machine, added some dados and rabbets, and I put a chamfer right here as well. So this is the bottom. The subwoofer is going to sit recessed into the enclosure, so this is actually what the subwoofer will mount to. Got 4 holes here, 4 holes here, got some dowel pins. It's kind of sitting a little crooked. Not sure how that happened. Might as well go ahead and make sure the subwoofer is gonna fit. There we go. Yep. Excellent. Gonna take a marker and make a mark here, and a different color marker and make a mark here. So when I pull this off, I'll know where it goes. Got some window braces. These should slot in right here just fine. These are the sides. Here's the front. Here's the back. All right, here's the top, kind of a moment of truth. Perfect fit, like a glove, exactly what we wanted. Put a little dab of glue in these holes right here. And pop in our dowels. And we're gonna run a bead of glue around the outside. Gonna put wood glue right here in the old groove. Silicone brush. Gonna give some solid glue coverage here. Put this guy into position. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to do is turn it up on its side to drive my brad nails. What I like to do is throw a clamp on it and use the clamp like an extra hand. Let's do a side next. What do you say? I'll wipe out that glue squeeze out. You want some glue squeeze out. You don't want none. I think maybe I'll do the other side next. Then after I get the sides in, I think I'll do the braces. Same game, a little repetitive. Lay down the glue, put some glue here. Here's my side piece. Don't tell my wife I've got a side piece. She doesn't need to know that. These squares are fantastic because we're going to go over 6.5 and we're just going to put our pencil in, make that mark. I've made a mistake. I should have switched to the shorter nails because I've got nails sticking up here. All right, moment of false. Yep, sometimes it doesn't pop in perfect. We'll just get a little clamp action or the hammer. A little hammering sometimes. A little motivation. Clamp time. Clamps are great motivators. See, what happens is those braces, if they're not perfectly square, they get a little sideways. And don't fit perfectly. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, I went and took about 2 hours to work on other things, and since it was clamped down for about 2 hours, there's really no need for any mechanical fasteners. So now I'll pull all the clamps off, and we'll move on to the next thing. Okay, the next thing, ironically, is going to be more clamping. So I'm gonna clamp this piece here. This is one of our legs, and this piece over here, this is the other leg. So I'll grab some glue and clamp those down. And what I'm gonna do here is just hang this over the edge so it's easier to get a clamp on it. Be the glue. Put this thing into position. You've got to be careful when clamping, because if you're not careful, the piece will drift a little bit. Here. Just like before, we're going to hang it off the edge of the workbench so it's easier to get the clamps on there. Nice bead of glue. Position our foot. Now it just needs to sit and cure for a couple of hours. And that's how you assemble a subwoofer box. To learn more about building subwoofer boxes, click this playlist right here. Before I go, I want to say thank you to all of my patrons with a bonus shout out to $25 and up patrons, Joe and Bo. I'm Justin. This is the DIY Audio Guy YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next adventure.